Welcome, dear children, to the Rajkumar College, Rajkot, Form 4 Computer Science. Chapter 9 we have done almost, right? On Friday's video, we have seen the question answers of the chapter, and even I have put up a material of same exercise in the classroom in our ERP, okay, school application. I have put the material also, and and video regarding the question answers. Now today I would like to show you how to insert a picture from internet, okay, and how to put a sound in the slide. Fine. Even the information also I have collected from the internet. Now I would first like to show you the slide. I have made a presentation on a topic called birds. Okay, from birds, as we know, there are variety of birds, but I have selected the information on peacock. Fine. So now let us see what I have done in the slide and how you can do this from the internet and perform. Okay, and you can insert in your slide. Let us see. Now see, this is my first slide. The first slide is the introduction slide, sorry, where you show the introduction, that what topic it is and on what it is, right? The first is the birds. That is my title of my presentation. My topic is birds, but there are a variety of birds. From that I have selected a peacock. Okay, then I have put this picture from internet. Fine. I have selected some information from internet. I have done copy and pasted over here. You can find out more information, and if you want to convey some information regarding the peacock to the public, you can put more and more details in that, right? Then I have also find out that why peacock is our national bird, right? So there is also, it is given why the peacock is considered as the national bird, right? So why it is, in 1963 the peacock was declared the national bird of India because its rich religious and legendary involvement in the Indian traditions. The criteria for this choice were many. The bird must be well distributed within the country so it could truly national. It must be recognizable to a common man, right? So peacock is considered as our national bird. So this information I have took from the internet. Okay, now I see this. I have put a loop in this. Till I don't click anywhere, it will not stop. Okay, I have put the peacock sound also. So let us start, right? First of all, I will open a new slide. Okay, as we know, Microsoft Office, in that PowerPoint. Fine. So always by default, which slide it is? Title slide. Okay, so here I will write birds, and here information on peacock. Okay, now this is done. Fine. You can change the font style, you can change the color you like. Fine. Now I will insert a new slide. Either you can click here, or I will press Control M. Okay, Control M is the slide, to insert a slide. Now see, what is the second one? Okay, I have put a picture. Fine. So I will write here peacock. Okay, and I am going to insert a picture here. Fine. If you have downloaded from internet, then you can click here and find out the picture if you have inserted. Fine. Then third slide is the information on peacock and why peacock is a national bird. You can put any information you want regarding it, right? So now let us open the Google Chrome. I am going to open the browser here. From here, first of all, I am going to find out a picture of a peacock. So I have clicked on it. Let my Google Chrome open. Okay, I have just open twice, so it is going to, I've clicked twice, so two browsers are going to open. I'm going to close one. Okay, here it is. Fine, so here it is. Okay, image, or you can write picture of a peacock. Right, I'll search. Okay, so you can see there are so many peacocks, right? You can click image, only image will be shown to you. Okay, now you think that this picture is good, this one is also fine, I'll take this one. Okay, I'll do select copy image. Okay, I will open a P-brush. P-brush is paint brush. I'm going to paste here. From here I'll do copy. If the image you cannot paste it directly in the PowerPoint, then you can do this Control V. Okay, now see, from here it is a, you can do this directly. I have copy pasted from the internet. Now you will say, madam, why did you use the MS Paint? Because here it was not allowing me to copy directly, so I had to use paintbrush. I had first copied in the paintbrush and then I did it. Okay, now the second slide is information. Now I will go to all and I will click here. I will type here information about peacock. Okay, right, no need to specify Hindi, English, Gujarati. Now see, here some details are there. If you want to go more, right, why the peacock is national bird, what is the other information, you just click on it and you will get many of them. Okay, Wikipedia is there, you can click on that, right, you will get so much detail about it. You can just click on it. You can just select the main points, right? It will be so much descriptive. Some details are of very high level that you don't want to put it, right? So you can just bifurcate some information and you can copy and paste it in your slide. Okay, so first I have to read. Okay, peacock are large, colorful. Okay, so this one is good one. So I'll copy and I'll Control M. Okay, Control V, paste it. You can see the whole detail has come here. Fine. Again I will go to Internet Explorer. Again, see, this was what is a peacock habitat. You can do this also, right? This is also very interesting topic. You can select this, right, do copy, and again you go to your presentation, Control M, and you can paste it here. Fine. So two topics are there, right? So this way I have made 3-4 slides, right? 4 slides I have done. Now Control M, sound, right? So now actually children, I have already downloaded the sound, but I would like to show you how to download, free download sound. I want particular peacock, so I'll just write here peacock. If you want some other sound, okay, from here. Okay, so I'll just click on it. You can see MP3 and that is there. You click on any of this and it will allow you to download the sound. See here. Okay, I'll click on it. Now see, I have already downloaded here. I am doing second one. Okay, I will save it. Fine. Now I think I don't need the browser now, so I am going to close it because I don't need it. Now I want to insert a sound, right? So I will go in Insert tab. You can see a sound option is there, Okay, it will ask me from where do you want. Okay, so I'll select my old one because I have checked and do it. Okay, now see. Now if you do, it will just play once, right? It has played only once. Now you want to repeat it. Okay, so when you select on this, you can see your option is there, loop until stopped. Okay, now see. Now once I'll click, it is keeping on repeating. Okay, that is called loop. Loop means it will continue. Now I will click outside anywhere and it will stop. Okay, so this way I can insert a picture. Even I can get the information from internet. You can take a printout, you can just select the main points and you can type in it, right? If you want to type, you have to do this only a click on the placeholder, right? And see, like this I can add, I can make a presentation from internet, in different information. Now you can add your own design to all the slides. Okay, see. If you want to change, you can change it. So much variety of designs are there. And now animation, the most important. If you want to give the custom animation, birds. Okay, you can even see the my font size is very small, right? I have to increase the font size. Select home, just increase it little bit. Yes, now birds also seems so small. It's a heading, so it should be little bit big more. And you can, right? So this way you can increase and give the effect to it. In this also I give the blends. Okay, now now the picture it's become small. I want to make it to full slide. Okay, suppose you wanted to make a full slide here. Okay, see, like this you can increase, go in effect, like this you can give the, here you can make it slow and fast, right? This is one topic I have already selected. Fine, if you want to select something else, okay, information on peacock, right? Fine. Sorry, right? So this way you can give heading, change the headings, and you can give, if you want to give effect to it, you can just change the effects. Okay, you can make it slow, right? And the last one you don't need any effect, right? So now I will do F5. Yes, see, this is my presentation on peacock. Children, just now I have just selected I have just select any information from it and I have put up here. You can read, make it something easy that is understandable to the others. Okay, and you can copy that type of information and put it in this. If you know, see, now I have made a loop, right? So it will not stop, the sound will not stop till I click on it. Okay, if I have not done loop, then it will play only once. I'll show you that. I'll just remove the loop, right? I'll remove the loop. So now let us do F5. Let us see now how many times that peacock is been done. See, okay, so this is the difference. If you put a loop, it will continue, the voice will continue till you don't click on anything here. Okay, loop it, so it will, the sound will continue till you don't end it. Okay, so this is the way how you can insert a picture, how you can get important information which you would like that other people, I want other people to know. And even sound, this is the way you can insert a sound. Okay, I hope you remember. You can download from the internet. Just type their free download sound of a dog. If you like a particular bird sound, right, you can write that bird name, right. So this way you can insert the different things from internet on your presentation and make it more beautiful and effective and even presentable means the information which others want to know, you can explain them very easily with the help of this presentation, right. And I hope you remember the screen, right. This is title bar, quick access toolbar, office button, this all are tabs. Okay, home tab, right. This all are groups. Tab and groups are called ribbon. This is slide pane, slide. Whenever you open a slide, by default it is always title slide. Shortcut key to enter the new slide is Control M. Okay, or you can click on home tab in this slide. Okay, from here you can change, even you want to change the layout of the slide, you can select a blank, so it will become blank slide. Animation you can give from here. You have to select the topic and you can change the animation. This animation is given to the whole slide. Okay, background, the slide is there, that is given this. Okay, the slides are given this effect. Okay, and inside topic you have to go in custom animation. Fine. So this is your PowerPoint presentation. Next week we are going to start with chapter 10, internet. Okay, so that will be more interesting for you. More is how to use the internet, how to get the information from internet, right. So I hope, last thing I have just I would like to show you is to save the file. Office button, go in save option, or here you can see save button or Control S, 3 ways, right. I have already one birds PPT is there. I would just like to do birds 1 PPTX and save it. You remember the extension .pptx, right. PowerPoint presentation extensible. Now PowerPoint presentation PPTX, it is not only that PowerPoint is given this extension. Whichever file you save, fine, all the file gets its own extension by default. Okay, computer will give. Why? Because for computer it is very easy to remember, we can say to remember, because sometimes I have forgot the file name. I know it is a PowerPoint, but I have forgot. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here, I will click on search. I'll just teach you how to find the files. Okay, for files and folders. Okay, now here I will just type .ppt and I will search. You can see all the PPT file has opened, whichever you want. Okay, you remember, okay, form 3 chapter 4 textbook. Okay, this is the PPT I want. I forgot the name, so I will just open like this. Okay, it is not only PPT. If you want to do doc file like DOC, document, if you remember .docx, all the docs file has come, right. So whichever you want you can do. So thank you for today. Hope you like this and it is more informative, so you can try to do it at home, right. So thank you for today. Fine, have a nice day, and you can try it if you have laptop or computer at home. Thank you so much.